Can I drive an electric car through a car wash? Can I drive an electric car through a car wash? I'll ask Nicole before I make a mistake.
Daniel, hi, how's it going? Hey, what's all that stuff you've got there? Are you going to be washing your car today?
Yes, exactly. But as I'm doing it, I'm realizing that water and electricity are not a good match. Can I drive the ID.4 through a car wash? And do I have to be aware of anything if I do?
Daniel, yes, of course you can drive your car through a car wash. The electrical systems are protected against any kind of water. Remember, you have to be able to drive your car in the rain after all.
That's right. Didn't think of that.
And don't worry about bringing your car through the car wash. Everything works the same as a regular car. You have to make sure that all of your doors and windows are closed, and the trunk. Next, drive into the car wash, then put it into N or neutral. Turn off the automatic wipers, take your foot off the brake, and if the attendant asks you, pull in your side mirrors. Then sit back and enjoy the show.
Well, that's the best thing about it.
Now, at the very end, you're going to see a signal to exit the car wash. It kind of looks like a traffic light sometimes. So all you have to do is tap the brake, put the car into drive, and off you go.
That's really the same way I always do it. Thanks, Nicole.
We'll talk soon. Bye.
Bye.
Volkswagen.